Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to explain you about some of the Excel function and how to perform in Excel. So let's get started into it. So before going, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So the very first function is COUNTIF. Before getting into it, let's see what is COUNTIF. COUNTIF is one of the statistical function to count the number of cells that meets a criteria. For example, to count the number of times a particular city appears in a customer list. Let's see, here it is examples. There is a two column present. One is year and value. And one more cell is present, its criteria. COUNTIF accepts two values, range and criteria. Let's see how it works. Just press an equal to, write it COUNTIF, selects a range which COUNTIF accepts a first value. Now selects a criteria which is 2000. Now just press an enter. You can see here it's 3. You can see in the example 2000 has been present 3 times in the value. So that's how COUNTIF function gonna works. So the next function is SUMIF. Let's see what is SUMIF. The SUMIF function to sum the values in a range that meets criteria that you specify. For example, suppose that in a column that contains numbers, you want to sum only the values that are larger than 5. And if you can see that SUMIF accepts a 3 value. First is accepted range, second criteria, third is accepted range to which we want to find a sum. Let's focus in this example. In this example, year, date and value has been given and we want to find the SUMIF. We want to apply the SUMIF function. So let's see how you can perform SUMIF function. Just press an equal to, write SUMIF, press tab. In the SUMIF function, first is accepted range. So select a range. Now select the criteria and at the third position, select this range to which we want to find the sum. So highlight the column, close the bracket and press an enter. We can see that 218.6 has been the sum for which of these 3 columns. So the next function is VLOOKUP. Let's see what is VLOOKUP. We perform VLOOKUP when we need to find things in a table or a range by row. For example, look up a price of an automotive part by the part number or find an employee name based on their employee ID. VLOOKUP accepts 4 values. First, lookup value, second, table array, third, column index number, and at last, range lookup value. So, what is range lookup value? Range lookup value is first true, which accept approximate values. Second, it's false. False accept exact value. Let's focus on this example, which has order ID, product, unit price, and quantity. We want to get the details of an order ID 10251. So how can perform VLOOKUP in this? Just press an equal to, just write VLOOKUP. First of all, just select the lookup value, which is 10251. Now, just select a table array. Now, we have to select a column index number. For product ID 1025, product it is at that second column. Just press on second. Now, we have to select a range lookup value, which is at false. Just close the bracket and press an enter. We can see for the product ID 10251, the product name is Pierce. It appears. Now we have to just perform the same function for the unit price. Just unit price, column index number for unit price is 3. Just write in 3. At the place of 2, just press and enter. You can see the unit price for the product ID 10251 is $18.60. For the quantity, we have just performed same. We have to repeat this step again. Just at column index number, we have to write 4. Just press and enter again. You can see the product ID 10251 quantity is 9. By this, we get the details of the order ID 10251. Let's change the product ID from 10251 to 10247. Let's see. For the detail of the product ID 10247 is apple. At the unit price is $14 and the quantity is 12. That's all. So the next function is HLOOKUP. We can see what is HLOOKUP. We perform HLOOKUP when you compare values that are located in a row across the top of a table of data. and you want to look down a specified number of rows. The H in HLOOKUP stands for horizontal. We can see HLOOKUP accepts four values. First, lookup value. Second, the table array. And third, row index number. And at last, range lookup. It is similar like VLOOKUP. The range lookup value accepts two values, true and false. True accept approximate value and false accept exact value. In this table, you want to find the details of an order ID which is 10247. If you want to find the product of an order ID 10247, we can do by writing it equal to HLOOKUP, open a bracket, select a lookup value. At second, select the table array. At third, select the row index number. Row index number is for the product is 2, and select the false, which is exact value for the product. Now close the bracket and press enter. We get Apple for the product ID 10247. At third, we have to perform the similar function. Just set an equal to HLOOKUP. Again, select the lookup value. Now select at the second, select the table array, and we have to select a row index number for the unit price is 3. Again, we have to select a false because unit price we want exact. So close the bracket and press enter. Now for the quantity also, we have to repeat this step again. HLOOKUP. Again, select a lookup value. And then select a table array. At third, write it 4. Again, select it false. Now close the bracket, press enter. We can see that we get the details for the order ID 10247 is product name is apples, unit price is $14, and the quantity is 12. We can see the details for the various product ID. For example, let's type 10252. We can see that for the product ID 10252, the details are the product name is grapes, unit price is $42.30, and the quantity is 40. By this, we perform HLOOKUP. Thank you.